Select a suitable piece of mild steel for your operation. Using a piece of chalk, demarcate the length of the workpiece to be held outside the chuck jaws. Start by adjusting the chuck jaws to accommodate the raw material. This particular lathe machine houses a 3-jaw self-centering chuck. Use the chuck key to diverge the chuck jaws. Turn the chuck key in any one of the keyholes available on the peripheral of the chuck. Open the jaws enough to house the diameter of the raw material. Mount the unprocessed workpiece, leaving the marked length outside the chuck. Adjust each chuck jaw individually. Insert the key in all the 3 keyholes one by one and tighten till all the 3 jaws clamp the workpiece tightly. Make sure the workpiece is concentric and firmly held.